guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Goody Slave Queen, and I'm going to be showing you guys step by step of how I apply my makeup. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows. I'm going to be brushing up my eyebrows with this Pallete Rimmel London Professional Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is, I like my eyebrows so dark, so I'll be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the shade Dark Brown, also just to darken it out a little. Then the next thing that I'm going to be doing now is to clean it up with some concealer. LA Girl Pro Concealer. In the shade Toffee. I usually put them at the back of my hand, then I dip in my brush.
Stuck in for days, I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved. Weak, no kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million motherfuckers that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family. From a girl, every fan I meet myself.
Next thing that I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to have to blend it out. The concealer, I mean, I'll have to blend it out. Make sure that we blend it like real good. So what I'm going to be doing now is to conceal the top of my eyebrow. Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast. And I'm also going to be doing the same thing to the other eyes too. So now that we have lined the top of the eyebrows, we have to blend. Next thing that we're going to be doing now is to, work with the eyes. That I'll be using the highlight to prime my eyelid. And concealer, apply the concealer to the eve. So now that we are done blending, I'm going to be lining my eye. That I'll be using, this is the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using today. Right here first.
Every friend in my family, from a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on, I'm too off. That rooftop, oh my God, I do not make moves based on my mood drop.
So I'm going to have to blend the edge. Color right here. Right. I think I will cut my crease in the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee to cut.
For you, for you.
The next thing that we're going to be doing is we have to, pick something out. From this, we applying this color right here. It's like a shimmery color.
Dug deep down trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest, I'm next.
Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below. Next thing that I'm going to be doing is darkening out the side of the eye with this color right here. Oh my god. This color right here. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to have to, take off the tape. I have to blend out the edge of the line of the tape. What I'm going to be doing is applying my eyeliner. The Wet n Wild Mega Liner is there.
I'm headed to the bottom.
What's next now is to apply my mascara. I'm going to be using L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. The product that I use, I will list it down at the description box, so you can just go ahead and check it out.
I'm enslaved.
So after this, I will be applying my false lashes. I'll be right back. I've done applying my false lashes. The next thing I'll be doing is to do my foundation, and before my foundation, the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be applying Wet n Wild face primer. I'll spray this on my face and let it sit for a minute. Then I'm going to be applying my foundation, and I'll be using the e.l.f. oil-free SPF 15 sunscreen. I'm going to be using the Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush to apply that to my face.
Ripping hard about less.
It's a really good foundation, even better than some of the high-end foundation that is sell out there. This is really good. So after the foundation, the next thing that I'm going to be doing now is to conceal and contour. So I will be using the Girl Pro concealer in the shade Toffee.
To the bottom of the bottle, I've been drowning.
Next thing that I'll be doing is blend.
Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and pissed it away. I ain't fucking okay. I ain't like A's. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved.
So the next thing now is to contour with the black opera, and this is in the shade Black Walnut. So I'll be
like jumping off of that rooftop. Oh my devil, when I knew not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it.
Then after that, then we have to blend.
I'ma never slow down, I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage, it's taking over.
So the next thing that I'm going to be doing after blending the contour out is I'm going to be setting. I'll be using the Sasha buttercup to set my contour. So now that I use the Sasha buttercup to set my concealer, I'm going to be working with my under eye. So I'll be using my eyeliner. I'll be using the Maybelline Master Kajal to line my waterline.
Ripping hard about less. Never stop, no rest till the stress is breath in my chest.
I'll be using the leftover from the brushes that I use for my eyeshadow.
Dug deep down trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest, I'm next.
The next thing I'll be doing is I'll be applying some mascara to the bottom of my lash. The thing I'll be doing now is to dust off all this setting powder. The same Girl Pro concealer to dust off all the setting powder. So after I'm done dusting off the powder from my face, the next thing I'll be doing is I have to set my contour. I'll be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, medium to dark. After setting my contour is to set everything. So I'll be using the setting spray. And the setting spray that I'm using is a Kiss New York Professional. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is highlight. I think I'll be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. I'll be using the e.l.f. highlighting brush. Wow, this is really cute. So after the highlighting, the next thing that I'll be doing is to apply my blush. I'll be using the Milani powder blush in Coral Cave. I'll be using the e.l.f. blush brush. Next thing now is to work with my lip. I'll be using the LA Girl lip liner in Forever Red. The list of every product that I've been using, I'm going to leave them down in the description box so you can go back and just check everything out. The lip color that I'm going to be using is going to be the Rimmel London Lip Art Metallic.
Deep down trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next.
The next thing that I'll be doing now is to just put a little highlighter at my teardrop. I need to go fix my hair, then I will be right back. So guys, this is the final look. And there it is. I would like to know what you guys think about this look. If this is your first time watching my video, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also share with everybody that you know, your friend, your family, your brother, your sister, your neighbor, anybody. Support your girl, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.